this how-to video, we'll be covering how to configure the environmental control components and record environmental control sensors during an acquisition within Cell Reporter Express. First, click on the Devices panel. To open up the Device Components window, click on the Show Device Options arrow next to the device. Then select the Sensors tab. Under the Component State section, enter in the target value for the CO2 level and hit the Start Regulation Play button in the Action field. The indicator in the State field will turn blue, indicating that the EC component is enabled. The O2 component does not need to be activated for standard live cell time-lapse experiments. Clicking on the Start Regulation button for humidity will automatically turn on the temperature component and set the value to 37 degrees Celsius. To activate the notification settings sensor, enter the min and max values for CO2 and temperature prior to selecting the Start Notification bells for these components. You just have to select the Start Notification bell for humidity. It is unnecessary to click on the notification bell for O2 since this component is not in the active state. When you activate the Start Notification bells, notification icons will appear on the toolbar on the top of the screen. If the EC component level is within the Enter Notification range, the notification icons will appear blue and they will appear yellow if they are outside of the notification range. You may also monitor and record the EC component levels during an acquisition. Within your acquisition protocol, open the Device Sensor step. Enter the min and max values for the available environmental control components in the Monitoring Range section. Toggle on the icons in the Monitor field. The sensor readings will then be reported in your experiment and will be available as a summary measurement for data visualization and export. To control humidity within the environmental control cassette, fill the humidity column with ultra-pure 18 megaohm resistance water up to the maximum level line. Make sure that the water does not enter the white tubes in the column. Once filled to the maximum level, humidity can be run continuously supplied to the EC chamber for approximately 3 to 4 days without refilling the water column. You may refill the column to continue maintaining the humidity level for longer-term live cell experiments.